Dr. Tungwarara has emerged as a strong voice of confidence and leadership as the Presidential Empowerment Fund prepares to proceed. His announcement has been widely welcomed, with many citizens applauding his commitment to ensuring that empowerment initiatives reach the grassroots. Dr. Tungwarara, praised as Presidential Empowerment Fund moves forward. Don't subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tungwarara oya achiendera mberi nenhau yake ye-empowerment panguva inonyora achiti Dr. Tungwarara has consistently emphasized that the fund is more than financial support. It is a pathway to opportunity. By advocating for youth, women, and marginalized communities, he has positioned himself as a champion of inclusive growth. In quotes, this fund is about unlocking the potential of our people and giving them the tools to thrive, Tungwarara said, underscoring his vision for a more equitable economy. Community leaders have voiced their confidence in Dr. Tungwarara's role. We believe Nomeya President Dr. Tungwarara's leadership will ensure that the fund is not just another promise, but a reality for ordinary citizens, said Miriam Chikowore, a youth activist in Harare. Small businesses owner echoed this sentiment. For years, we have struggled to access capital. Dr. Tungwarara's push for this fund gives us hope that our enterprises can finally grow, noted Tendai Moyo, a local entrepreneur. Economic analysts also highlighted Dr. Tungwarara's influence. His advocacy has been critical in building public trust around the fund. If implemented with transparency, the initiative could significantly boost grassroots economy activities, said Dr. Nyasha Duve, an independent economist. As the Presidential Empowerment Fund prepares to launch, Dr. Tungwarara's leadership is being recognized as a driving force behind its momentum. Citizens are hopeful that his efforts will translate into real opportunities and lasting impact. Doma developments aripo pamusoro penhau empowerment yaTungwarara. Pana comment section medu muzavhura aimbo tudi pamusoro pechito ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.